My dear students, this is Sir Gaur Diwan again welcomes you all in our Path Maths online classes. Dear students, in the last videos we have discussed about the slope of a line. How can we find the slope of a line? That was to be discussed in the last videos. Today we are going to discuss about the various forms of equation of a line. So there are so many forms in which we can find the equation of lines. Today we are going to discuss those forms, all conditions through which we can find the equation of a line. Number one is your horizontal line. How can we find the horizontal line, equation of a horizontal line? For that, let us consider this is your the y-axis, this is your x-axis. So horizontal line is a line which is always parallel to your x-axis. So any line which is parallel to x-axis is known as horizontal line, whatever it may be your above x-axis or your below x-axis. So now let's see, this is your the line whose equation we want to find. One thing you should have to notice that if this point is your A, which is your considered as 0, A, then the next point will be your 1, A, next will be your 2, A, next will be your 3, A, and so on. You can see all the points which are lying on this line will have same y coordinate. The y coordinate of the point will be equal to each other in each and every case, whatever the point is lying on the line. So the equation of this line will be given by y is equal to a, and this is your represented by y is equal to minus a. So you can write an equation of a horizontal line by y is equal to a, where a is any arbitrary constant, where a is known as your any arbitrary constant. Now let me discuss the second form of the equation of a line, known as your vertical line. Vertical line is a line which is your parallel to y-axis. Let me take any line, this is your parallel to y-axis. It may be right to the y-axis, it may be your left to the y-axis. Now again you can see every point lying on this line will have same x coordinate. The distance from your y-axis will be equal. Whatever this point is there, whatever this point is there, whatever this point is there, whatever this point is there. So each and every point lying on a line which is parallel to y-axis will have same x coordinate. So let me take this point is, let this point is B. So this point will be B, 0. Let this is B, 1. This will be your B, 2, and so on. So every point lying on this line will have same x coordinate. So that's why the equation of this line, which is parallel to y-axis and known as vertical line, is given by x is equal to b. Here also b is your any arbitrary constant. So these are the two forms of the equation of a line. Number one is horizontal, number two is your vertical line, and equation is given by y is equal to a and x is equal to b. Now let me discuss the third form of the equation of a line, which is known as your point slope form. Let us write down first of all point slope form. This is the form in which you will find a point on the line and the slope of line is also given to you. In that case, how can you write down the equation of line? Let me first of all discuss the generalized form. For that, let us again consider x-axis and y-axis. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Any non-vertical line is there. This is your any non-vertical line having a fixed point on this line as your x1, y1. Let us consider any fixed point lying on this line x1, y1, the point which is your must be given to you. Now let me take, and the slope of the line is your given as m. Both condition will be given to you. The point which is fixed one as given as x1 comma y1, and slope of this line is m. To form the equation of this line, let me take any point q having coordinate x comma y as arbitrary constants. These x and y are the point which are arbitrary one. So then we can find the slope of this line through the 2-point form. Dear students, in the last video में डिस्कस किया था कि अगर कोई भी लाइन 2 पॉइंट से पास करती है तो उसका जो स्लोप होता है दैट विल बी गिवन बाय y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So let me find the slope of line. Slope of line will be given by y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This is the slope of line PQ. But already we are given that the slope of line is m. So both will be equal to each other. But given slope is your m. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 will be equal to m. Both are the slope of the same line. So they can be put equal to each other. Implies y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the equation of a non-vertical line which is passing through a fixed point x1 comma y1 and having slope as your m. So this is the third form of the equation of a line in which we will be given with a slope and a point. Now let us consider the fourth form of equation of a line. The fourth form of the equation of a line we are going to find now, which is known as your 2-point form. As the name suggests, 2-point form is you are directly given with the 2 points through which the line is passing. So let us generalize the form. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is any non-vertical line passing through the point x1 comma y1, and second is your x2 comma y2. So we are given with the 2 points through which this line is passing, and we want to form the equation of this line. For that, let me take a third point having arbitrary coordinates as x comma y. R is any point which is your arbitrary coordinates x comma y. Now let's see, this line is passing through the 3 points, so no doubt the slope of the line will be given by slope of PQ is equal to slope of RQ or slope of RP. So let me make the slope equal to each other through the 2 points PQ as well as PR. Now what will be slope of the given line? This can be obtained by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. I am taking these 2 points P and Q. I am going to find the slope of line by P and Q. Now again we can find the slope of the same line by using the formula same. I am taking now the point P and R. This is given by y minus y1 upon x minus x1. The same line is there having 3 points on it. First of all, we can find the slope of line through PQ. Then we can find the slope of line using the point P and R, and this is the slope of the line, given line, and this is the slope of the same line given to you. So they will be put equal to each other because ये दोनों की दोनों slope एक ही line के हैं, so they can be put equal to each other. So it implies y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the sorry, I'm really sorry, this is your not both are equal to each other, so implies y minus y1 is equal to, take this on the right hand side, so implies y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the line passing through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. So in this way we can find the any equation of line which is passing through the 2 points. So this was the fourth form, which is known as 2-point form